Hey folks, Ash here from DroningON Live, and I just thought I'd put out a very quick video to address the Mini 3 and the Mavic 3 videos that are flying all over the place at the moment, leading people into panic and selling their drones and collecting their pennies and saving their money up to buy these new drones that are coming out. I keep also seeing the word leak. Now, at the moment, please, I recommend that people just chill out. There's absolutely no evidence that these drones will be released this year, or if they even exist. In fact, there has been one legitimate leak, which is a picture of a shell, but nobody knows what the shell belongs to, if it even relates to a Mini 3 or a Mavic 3, and so we just don't know. Now, what you'll find is that when there is the slightest sniff of information, many of the channels out there want to get subs and views, and so they push out a video which has a foundation on virtually nothing, with no concrete evidence, no facts, no FCC filings, nothing. And then they argue about what it's for. What is it? Is it the Mini 3? Is it the Mavic 3? No, it's definitely the Mini 3. It's definitely the Mavic 3. It's definitely the Mavic 5 Zoomy Plus Plus Pro. But the reality is that nobody knows. And that's why I haven't seen a video from DroningON on this topic, because I don't want to put out a video unless I know. So when we get an FCC filing, I'll be talking all about these drones, but for now, that's why I love this little raw channel, because I can put out a video without it flaming up and causing a load of disturbance and craziness. You know, ultimately, it's lovely and exciting when we do get the sniff of something new, but don't let it change your plans. Don't let it stop enjoying what you're flying now. Don't make it prompt you to sell the drones that you have. Don't make it prompt you to start collecting and saving up your money for drones that may not even actually exist. The reality is, at the moment, nobody knows. And that's why I suggest just airing caution around these kind of videos, because until there's some facts, until there's some evidence, there is nothing. And so just everybody calm down and chill out. When it comes out, it will come out, and I'm sure it'll be great. But at the moment, we don't know what's coming out or if anything's coming out. So let's all just take a breath, relax, and enjoy what we're flying already. Now, I hope everybody's having a fun weekend. And, you know, ultimately, the Air 2S is a great drone. It's what I'll be flying this weekend in this beautiful place. If you've seen the main channel, then you'll have seen a lot of content shooting with that drone. And, you know, I'm going to enjoy shooting with that drone. It only came out a few months ago. It's incredibly capable, and I honestly don't need anything more at the moment. And that's the other question to ask yourselves. Do you really need the newest, the greatest, the best? Will it change the footage that you actually shoot? Probably not. The reality is that most of you guys watching this right now, you could swap your current great, brilliant drone with the original Mavic Pro, and you'd be shooting the same footage and the same end result. So buying a better drone doesn't make your footage better. The reality is, it's all about what you're shooting, how you're shooting it, the footage quality, the frame rate, the resolutions, the editing in post. That's the key element. And, you know, you can go and spend another $1,500 if you want, but it's not going to change that. Anyway, hope this video is useful and brings some reality to the people out there watching it. If you do enjoy this kind of raw content, hit that subscribe button now, and have a good weekend, folks.